And so for a lot of folks out there, they ask, should I buy a Focusrite Solo instead? Should I buy a Behringer mixer instead? Should I buy cheaper mixers instead, basically? And so the big advantage of the RODECaster Pro mixer versus other mixers is the fact that you have end game mixer now. So instead of spending $100, $200, or $300 on a lesser mixer, you can just have end game. If you save your money, you can have end game mixer now. 4 microphone inputs, USB input, external input, Bluetooth input, sound effects with 3 banks, 4 headphone jacks, an audio output, records in the mixer, records in your computer, multi-track, built-in processing, full monitoring suite. It's all built into this mixer, just inside the package. It's a full-blown production studio for audio, just in one mixer. No other mixer offers everything this mixer offers within this price range. And so if you want to spend a couple $100 today on a cheaper mixer, go for it. Eventually, if you're successful, you're going to want to buy this mixer. I mean, this is the mixer that I suggest to all of my clients, and 100% of my digital consulting clients have been happy with this mixer. You might be priced out of it today. I understand. And so you'll want to upgrade later. I started with a Focusrite Solo in my setup to bring in my microphone input, and then I upgraded to the RODECaster Pro. And there's no upgrade above this that I'm interested in. It just, as you can hear in real time, the way it's processing my audio, I mean, do I not sound like an 8 or 9 out of 10 right now? I mean, it just sounds that good, right? And this is a live stream. It's smashing the audio through a live stream. It sounds this good live. That's all the mixer, man. The mixer's doing all of this, making it sound this good. So I think it is well worth the money. To just be able to hit a button on your mixer, go to audio processing, and just literally, like, this is the way this microphone sounds without audio processing. And then just when you tweak in your audio processing and then you turn it on, this is the way my microphone sounds with audio processing. Like, just hitting that button just took my audio with the RODECaster Pro from like a 5 out of 10 to like an 8 out of 10. Just like that, by hitting a button. Is that worth a couple $100 extra bucks? I think it is. I definitely think it is. Like, you want to sound amazing, right? If you could spend a couple $100 extra bucks and go from sounding okay to sounding amazing at the press of a button, wouldn't you do it? The RODECaster Pro offers that. So that's my spiel on the pricing of the RODECaster Pro. Is it worth the money? Yeah. I think it's well worth the money. It's the only mixer I recommend. That's it. And Rode does not sponsor me. They gave me this mixer for free 2 years ago, and they don't pay me a single penny to talk about it. Cool? Cool.